All right, gang. Part three. So yeah, price should go to take profit 6 and take profit 7 after seeing a strong candlestick like this on a daily. A long candlestick like this on a daily. Candlesticks are still above this trend line. So price is still going up. It was just a retesting during the London session. Now the New York session is about to start up at 8 o'clock. Um, London, New York session starting at 8:30, 9:30. So we should see a price push back up. Gang, we're still in an uptrend. Price should push up to take profit 6 and eventually take profit 7. It was just in a little counter trend down, a downtrend. And as we scroll in to the 15, go back to the 15 minute, you can see our Fibonacci right here on the 15. Our take profit 5 level. We have our key levels right here that price could go to potentially if you were scraping. You can see if we scale into price, you can see that price could go to that price is heading back up to take profit 7 level. It was just retesting. It was just retesting after making a major move like this. After making a major move from take profit 1 all the way up to now, take profit 5. It was just retesting, and now it's continuing in the overall trend, uptrend. So during this retest, you could have stopped in for sales. Like I said, you could have gotten for sales at take profit 5 level and rolled it all the way down to 27 extension. This 27 extension level for take profit 5 level. And then you could have got out as you started seeing it started to wick back up. And there's no, it did not want to close below this area. It did not want to close below this area. There wasn't enough momentum. You only see weak candlesticks right here. Wasn't strong enough candlesticks letting us know that price doesn't want to go below this area. And now we're looking for buys, continuing back in the uptrend. Once candlesticks break above this trend line, it's an uptrend. But you could be looking for buys right now. It was just retesting, retracing. Like I said, you could have gotten for sales from here all the way back down. I got in at take profit 4 for a sale, take profit 3, take profit 2, even take profit 1, and sold it down depending on your lot size. That could easily still been 1,000, 2,000 from take profit 1 even. Could still have been a 2,000, 3,000 as it went from 1840 all the way down to 1836. So you could have gotten for a sale at any of these take profit levels. Take profit 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. Sold it all the way down to 27 extension. Boom, you're out to trade. Now we see candlesticks are starting to doji, it's starting to consolidate, and we see that this is letting us know that it's not enough momentum to push price back down. We're now heading back up, and then the price should go right back to take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, before pushing up to take profit 6. Um, and we're still in the uptrend. It was just retesting, but you could have gotten for sales. You don't have to get in for sales. You could have just waited also, and waited for this move to show you that price is heading back up. And you could have played it safe that way. If you wasn't feeling comfortable enough from getting in at this sell, you could have definitely you could have definitely waited for price to show you that it did not want to break this key level, and you could have got in right after that. Right after you've seen this long candlestick, this bullish engulfing pattern, or like a morning star. It's more like a morning star pattern. You could have got in right after that. Because now gold is going back up to the next key level, take profit 6. But price is continuing up. It was just retesting. Like I said, you could have sold it from take profit 4, 3, 2, or 1, or 5. It sold it all the way down to 27 extension level, as it went all the way from 1844 all the way down to 1836. Depending on your lot size, that could have easily been a good 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, a couple hundred a trade right there. Gang. So just understanding candlesticks, understanding that this is not a strong enough pressure to push price all the way back up to take profit push all close price all the way back down here and then close below here. It wasn't enough momentum. Is understanding candlesticks, and price is going to continue heading back up. After it created this new high at take profit 5 level, after creating this new high at take profit 5 level, price is still continuing back up. So it's at take profit 5 right now. Just made a major. It just retraced it back down during the London session, and now we're going to the New York session. Prices now going back higher, create a new higher high. Made a higher high right here. It's going to make a higher low, and now it's going to make another higher high to take profit 1, and make another higher high, take profit 2. Eventually making higher highs and higher lows all the way to take profit 5, before going to take profit 6. And we should see that on the daily chart. We should see the candlestick starting to push back up. We should see the candlestick pushing back up. Gold pushing back up on the daily chart, and I will show y'all that too, gang. I will show you that on the daily chart that price did push back up. But it did bounce off this trend, this 27 extension level off our key level, our take profit 5 level. Not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it bounced off of this key level before heading up. Bounce off the support and now heading back up to this resistance level. So this is like support. It bounced off the support level and now going back up to our resistance level, the last high that price was at before heading down. So this is the last highest point that price was at before heading down. This is the lowest point price was at before now heading back up to take profit 1. So after a major move like that, price will retest. It will consolidate the price. After a major move like that, it will consolidate. It did make a little downtrend though, and you could have sold it. You definitely could have sold it. And now price is heading back up. Now we're looking for buys only. Once price breaks past this trend line, it will retest back down, like a little bit more to get buyers in. But once we see price break past this trend line, go to take profit 1 level, we're looking for buys. And it's going to go to our next key level, take profit 6. So we're still going up. Gold is still going up. I have gold still going up. We should see price get up here. It should get up here by New York session starting at 8, or like New York and London session starting at 9:30. We should see price. We should see gold heading back up to our next key level. Take profit 6 level, and then take profit 7 level as price is heading up. Back up. Creating new higher highs and higher lows. Going to create a new higher high. Take profit 1. We're just waiting for that to happen. And just understanding candlesticks, understanding formations. Like they're going to make a higher high now. On the daily, we should see the candlestick, the daily candlestick. You should see this candlestick push all the way up to take profit 6. Pretty soon, after creating this new high, like I said, it hasn't created this new high since. It hasn't been up here since November 10th, 2021. Price hasn't been up there. And we should see price go to take profit 6. We should see this candlestick go to take profit 6 during the New York session, and then eventually take profit 7 will be our next key level. And I have price still heading up, heading back up. I see price was just retesting, and it broke past our key level, 1830 level, and created a new high for this month, for this year, letting us know, on the daily chart, this mobile candlestick, strong momentum, letting us know that we're still in the uptrend. Candlesticks are still above this trend line. You can see on the weekly too. Candlesticks are still going up. On the weekly, we're still going up on the weekly chart. It was just retesting back down a little bit before going back up to take profit 6 and eventually take profit 7. All right, gang. So I'll keep y'all updated on and letting y'all know if price went to take profit 6. I have gold still going up to take profit 6 and take profit 7 after closing above take profit for our key level 1830. And I'll keep y'all updated, game, but price should go all the way up to take profit 6 and then take profit 7 after creating this new high for the month. All right, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang.